Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you about Apache's error. The error is this. As we can see, it is stating that Apache's failed because the control process exited with the error code. Let's see what is the error. Sudo systemctl status apache2.service. Okay, it is saying that no such file or directory ah02291 cannot access directory or log apache2 for main error log and apache2 for error log. So let's see if this whole path exists or these directories exist or not. So cd var log. As we can clearly see, there is no apache2 folder. So first of all, let's try making this up. apache2. Okay, so these double exclamation mark are basically used to execute the previous command with root privileges. Okay, so this directory is created. Now let's try starting Apache again and see if it fixed the error. And clearly we can see it fixed the error. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.